Today I will be showing to you the best tips and tricks for you to mine TLM and to play alien worlds. And the first thing here is by going into your M Federation setback. So this is the method that I use for me to combine three same items. So as you can see here, I do have three exo gloves. So what I'm just going to do here is of course go to the wax.blocks.io and then log in into your account and then uh, type M Federation. Okay, so after that you will go to the contract part and you will go to actions, go to setback and type the account that you have. So let's say x2ebm.1, which is my account. And then go to your atomic hub. And then what will you just need to do here is copy this one. Okay, copy this asset, then open and open bracket and then open apostrophe and then click this one right here, close it out, and then uh, comma and the other assets that you have. So this one you will copy this one as well. Okay, and so on and so on. So you can only combine three multiple items. The best thing that's why I'm recommending it. It is because there is a speculation. I think there is some news that when you have the same charge time and you combine three same items, you will get a discount for the charge time. So let's say this one is doing around 1 minute. Uh, I'm not sure. Uh, 1 minute and uh, almost almost 2 minutes. Okay, and there is a charge time what plus times 1.5 multiplier. However, if I mine this, okay, I only get the same um, charge time. So instead of getting a 2 minute charge time for two exo gloves, I get 2 minutes charge time for three exo gloves, which is the discount when you have the same charge time and the same item. That is why you should combine the items here because you can't probably put it here. You can't probably change it when you are just starting the game. The second one that you should be mindful of is of course the land commission. You should be able to differentiate what kind of land you want to mine. For me, I would choose something that will give me around 5% commission, and because I've researched that geothermal springs is the best one, and then I'm going to mine in this area because it's really bad to mine on other areas like this one. There is a 20% profit share from mining. However, in the previous plot, it is only 5%. So you might be aware that the landowner is really making a lot of money from you because you can probably find a better land plot here. As you can see here, 10%, 20%, 5%, 4%. This one is 4%, but I don't like it. I like I probably like this one. So um, the second one is the charge time as well. When you're mining as well, you can also do this capture trick right here. So what we just need to do, okay, for you not to click captchas all the time, is when you click the always sign those transactions, you click at this button right here, okay, and then you won't get a captcha already. So that is one trick that is working, but sometimes after a few hours you will probably get a captcha soon. However, if you're mining this kind of tool which is 2 hours charge time every time, then it is really really worth it to do that. So that's the third part. Okay, the fourth part here is, okay, I'm gonna explain to you the fourth part after I got it. The fourth part here is you can consider staking your money in these planets. Why? Because you are probably getting money from it. Because when you're staking, you will get a percentage of the profits and stuff. And of course, you're also helping the community, or you're also helping the planet to have more mining rates. So as you can see here, I only get around 0.05. Okay, as you can see here, I'm only getting around 0.05, 0.03. Before it is around 1 TLM, 2 TLM, and so forth and so forth. And the reason why the price is around this one, you only mine a smaller TLM. It is because a lot of people are withdrawing it. However, if we begin to stake it, all of us will begin to stake it, then probably a TLM that you can mine will get higher and higher and higher. And the number fifth trick that you can probably do is, of course, if you have a pretty much good budget, you can buy a land in Atomic Hub. So as you can see here, I'm gonna pull it the graph for you real quick. So you go to the market part, okay? Click the alien worlds, and then for the land. I know this is pretty much uh, expensive, but if you have a budget, having this kind of land will give you passive income every day. If you're just starting on alien worlds before, probably the land is around $1,000 or $500. However, because alien worlds is really big right now and it is the number one blockchain game, the prices of lands really really soars high. However, this is still a good choice if you have a budget, because you will have a money, you will have a free TLM that you don't even need to mine. Okay, you just let the people mine from your land, and then you're just going to get free TLM. So that's the number 6 part. Number 7 part here is, of course, you convert your money from wax. If you know how to trade, you can probably um, play the market. So as you see, if you see that TLM goes high, probably you can convert it into the wax coin, and then when the TLM goes down, you convert the wax coin that you have to TLM. So this is more like the simple scenario of you mine TLM when it is low, and you sell TLM when it is high into wax. And now when it is going down again, you can convert it into TLM again, and then you're still mining TLM. So in that case, if you are in here, you sold it around this area, probably you can re-enter with more TLM in this part. And of course, if you are here, you are mining here, you sell it here, you've made almost around 50% of your money. You sell this one, you get the initial TLM that you have plus 50%, and then when it goes down, it goes up again, you will get more TLM. So that is this number 7 part, and I think that concludes my overall alien worlds tips and tricks. And for the number 8 spot, you can also um, stake your TLMs into this upcoming Planet Binance missions game, because in this one, TLM will be used for you to get NFTs in a mission. As you can see here, there's 1 week duration, 2 weeks, 4 weeks, and 13 weeks. And this one, you're just taking your TLM, you're getting free NFTs. You can combine NFTs you can sell this NFTs in a higher price, especially if you have the great value of NFTs. If it is rare, then probably you can sell it a little bit more higher than the price. And that is it for this video. That's the 8 tips that I have. I'm not sure if it is 7 or 8. However, I hope you learned something from me today, and I'm going to create more alien words in the next few videos to come. So that's it, and good night.